Saddle. So that's the one that gets stuck.
You're putting it all together now. Do it again. That's the perfect I understand face.
Oh, you're laughing so much now. Making fun of my face.
No, it's a good one.
Is this separated or?
I'm sure it's the set with the bed.
Ayun.
Hmm? How many number of inches, please?
46.
46?
49. 49.
Okay, well that doesn't matter. That's not right. Ours is 54, right?
Yeah.
How long is it?
67.
67?
Pag ganito kuya.
I guess these are from Korea, yeah? No, not 40.
55.
Something must be wrong with his tape measure. That can't be right. No, that can't be right. His tape measures.
55.
How wide is it?
Pag ganito kuya.
No, his tape measure is funny. That can't be 65 inches tall.
32 and a half.
Huh?
32 and a half.
Something's wrong. Can I see? What is it?
It's the, in Trinidad, the
Honda? Tell them we only could take out tell them we have 55K right now
55.
because we can only take 50 out in one day.
So what can we do?
I don't know. Can they let us bring the 25 on Monday? The 30.
Not tomorrow.
Yeah, and tomorrow.
Ano pa?
Oh, let's just go there now, yeah.
We can go Monday because they're closed tomorrow.
Well, let's stop by anyway. It's on the way home.
Kuya?
It's on the way home. We'll just stop by.
Ano oras kayo magsara, kuya? 5. Sige. Papunta na kami dyan, kuya.
So what?
He said if we can pay the full 84 today, we can pay Monday. We can go back Monday.
Yeah, but can we do 50 and then go back Monday? Do 50 and take it? Let's go and ask, yeah? Accident. What requirements?
Ano yan?
So 50 cash plus Scoopy for 35,000. What? Why are you laughing?
Matagal. It takes time if they take the new one from stock.
Why? Why?
Why it takes time?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm just curious. Why does it take time?
Because they have many stock of motorcycle and they have to pull it.
Do they have blue?
Only red, black, and white.
Discussion ani ma'am sa kontrata ma'am.
No, it's a basic purchase contract.
Discuss dito sa kontrata ma'am.
There we go. No more messing around.
You're gonna have to sign this first now. So
Okay.
Monday they're gonna discuss to you the contract.
Okay. Here's why. So he said if you're late, you have a 300 peso discount.
Karon?
300 peso discount
If you're late.
for
So instead of 23.7, you paid.
Wala repeat na siya. Yeah, pero katong gibo ni sir nga kay March 7 siya makabayad. Wala ra gyapon siya penalty. Mo ra gyud gyapon bayad.
pwede lang din yun.
Pwede lang. Dili lang mula pa sa 1 month yun.
Oo. So if it's late if you pay late for example a week, it's okay. But not more than a month.
Okay. Okay.
Walang penalty yun.
Wala naman.
And then there's a penalty?
Babayaran.
March 3.
Not February.
No, March.
This is, ito na yung,
Mo na kay last year.
Don't let's not argue. And so,
Because it's 3 months. So basically we pay for this month and the next month.
in the down payment.
And then the down payment.
Yeah.
And then next 2 months.
Yeah,
Paano
yeah.
kung gusto namin magbayad next month?
Pwede naman. Advance.
So,
If you wanna pay next month, we can pay next month.
in advance,
Yeah.
which I will. I will pay in advance, yeah. But let's say, so if I was 1 month late, do you come and take the motorcycle?
No, sir. Dili na.
Huh?
Pero, penalty lang yun.
Penalty.
Kanang inahay wala ko kabayad 23,000 yung bayro nun ma'am. Nya mula pa sa 1 month wala ko kabayad. So buhatan big penalty 4%. So patong na siya sa 23. For example lang ma'am ang
Madadagdagan yung
Oo.
babayaran. Yeah. There's penalty like they're gonna add 25,000 to your
25,000? Wow. That's a big.
example
no,
lang.
like
Grab your
for
ankles.
example only like maybe
Yeah.
300 pesos.
Okay. I just want to make sure it's not some weird. I'm asking to make sure there's not some like weird, secret, strange thing. Yeah, okay, cool. All right. So what? We pick up later?
They don't have stock helmet yet.
Yeah, but it's included.
Nosebleed. Huh?
But it's included with the motorcycle.
Yes, but when they have stock helmet, they call us and then we get the
That's
helmet.
the answer I was looking for. Yeah. I was wondering what the solution was, and I wasn't.
Pinagpapawisan si kuya eh. You make him sweaty, oh.
I see the water on his forehead.
Dripping like a raindrop.
Ora gawin mo.
That's a lot. It's okay na kuya.
Ano
pa?
Pirma po kari man sa tapan. Or ini nakagkalon ni so pirma.
I mean, that's about the same size as Vanjie's. Hers is a 155. It's the same size. Maybe a little bit smaller. It might be like that. Huh? No. Hers is like that one. Well, I think you can ride it with some practice.
What is this then?
I think it's something for the computer.
Signal?
No, it's for the computer. Okay, try to get it up again, as if you're gonna ride it. Try to get up again. Yeah. I think you can do it with some practice. With some practice.
It's easier to go now, right?
Huh?
When it runs, it's easier to go.
Oh yeah, once you're going, it's easy. And I think we'll park it at Ray's for you, so it's easier for you to get on and off. We'll figure it out. What is it?
Or change oil and the time.
Like the computer, yeah. Okay.
You can see the
Fluid.
Yeah, but even the Scoopy has that.
But it doesn't have the clear one where you really
It does.
It does?
Yeah,
It is.
because I just put the new one on.
This is the start.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is the start.
How many miles? How many kilometers on it now?
Nagamit na daw.
Ay, wala na.
No kilometers pa.
No kilometers.
0. So Monday.
Unit, no kilometers.
Okay.
You are going to business. Peso.
Ah, that's pretty cool. So why do you do that? So why?
For the wind? Wind resistant.
So when you go faster, like on, yeah, okay, you put that up. Got it. Wow, that's cool. Okay.
You wanna bang it now?
It is a good looking bike, yeah. Hmm.
Then the battery is here.
Yeah. You're excited?
My goodness.
Bye bye. Oh, poor Scoopy. Huh? Aw. I'd say this camera does a significantly better job of capturing the beauty of this overlooking eatery.
Go. Absolutely. 1, 2, 3, go. Great job.